Hello and welcome to this video. I'll show you what is a sales funnel ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a tool that builds sales funnels, landing pages, lead pages. And a sales funnel, guys, I'm going to show you here. If you look over here to the left. So now, first of all, don't get too caught up in the design here. I put this together so I could really tell you about the concept of the sales funnel. The designs might be different, but it's the same thing. So when you look at a funnel, right, you're coming in the top of the funnel and then you're going out the bottom. So the main difference between using ClickFunnels and your website is when you send people directly to your website, it's almost like standing on a street corner and handing out a brochure, right? Hey, how you doing? Come check us out. Hey, how you doing? Come check us out. Hey, how you doing? Come check us out. And people are going to do what? They're going to take that brochure, they're going to look at it and say, wow, this is a real pretty place, blah, 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 boom, it goes in the garbage. You're not giving them an action to take, whereas a sales funnel, we're giving them an action. For instance, here we're saying, give us your email and we'll give you this book, or give us your email and we'll give you a free yoga class. Give us your email, we'll give you half off teeth whitening at our dentist, and so on. So you're taking them through the process, which is we're taking them from cold, right? They're a cold audience, they don't know anything about us, and then we're taking them from cold to warm to hot. So we're taking them down the levels of our funnel, and ultimately when we get to the bottom, maybe we've sold them something here, but if anything, we've gotten their information and we can sell to them on the back end through our emails. So that's how this works. What I would do, the way it works is this would be, say, the top of the sales funnel in ClickFunnels. Now, I would use this link if I was on Facebook or Instagram or Google Ads, wherever I'd want. Hey guys, check out our new ebook, download it. It's yours absolutely free. So people would come here, they give their name, they give their email, and they go, great, thanks, send me the book. Then, since I've built it here on the back end of funnels, I want to also try and sell them something. So the next step in the funnel is a sales page. Now here, I would offer them something, low entry pricing, depending on what you're doing. Maybe it's another ebook for $7, or maybe it's I gave them one class free and I want to say, hey, get a 5-pack for $50, or one-time offer, or get 2 more classes for X amount. So that's kind of what we're doing here. Video is a great place. This is a great place to add video. Hey, thank you so much. Your free book is on its way. While we have you here, are you interested? Or while we have you here, we have a great deal going on X, Y, and Z. Okay. So what we're doing is we're just trying to do like an upsell. We're trying to get them to at least cover our ad costs here. And this is typically something low, $7, $20, $30, depending on your market, okay? Now, when they've gone through there, we're gonna try and hit them one more time, okay? Let me just show you this real quick. Obviously, they would go here, they go to their order page. Now, when they go to the order page, I'm gonna show you something cool here. This is what's called an order bump. So let's say they decided, yes, we'll take that great deal for $20. So they come in here, they fill out their information, right? $20. And then here, where'd it go? Oh, it wasn't on there. Let's see if I can add it. Hold on. So this is called an order bump. Oh, here it is. Good. So I can just drag this in, which is really cool. Now I can add here something different. Hey, one-time offer. We got this great new gadget that's going to complement your order. Its regular price is $20. Get it right now for $10. So they've already put in all their information here. They've agreed to this price. They put in their credit card and they say, yeah, no, yeah, I'll take it. It's kind of like when you go to the grocery store and you've just spent $500 on groceries at Costco or Target, wherever. And then as you're waiting to get your groceries checked out, there's bubble gum and magazines and candy and all kinds of just crap you probably don't need, but it's there and you say, yes, I will take it. That's what this order bump is. This is a great way to make a little extra money, cover your ad costs, right? And then you also have one more way to get them on the way out the door. And then I think of this when I'm at the grocery store is on the way out the door, they try to get me to sign up for their membership program or something. I don't know. So this would be your very last offer. Hey, before you go, can we interest you in X, Y, and Z? Now, again, don't get too caught up on what's on here. I just want you to see the sales funnel process. What's really crucial to understand here, guys, is that this button here, once they click on this button, it's going to automatically add the items or the product or the service to their cart, and it's going to automatically charge them. They don't have to put in any information. That's why this is so powerful. They just go, yeah, I'll take it. Click, boom, done. That's it. Because they've already put their money in here. So we already got their credit card. Okay? They don't have to do anything. When they get here, they just go click, yeah, I'll take it. Now, this is obviously when you look at the process here, right? Free item, low cost item, right? They place their order, you get their credit card, maybe you do another low cost on the order bump, and then you try and get them one more time. So you know your market and what to sell here. I would definitely do some searches for value ladders and stuff like that, and how to price those things out, because it all depends on your market. And then lastly, they go to the thank you page, which would say, thank you so much, your trinkets and whatnot are on the way. So that is how to do a sales funnel in ClickFunnels, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe. Also, if you'd like to try this out yourself, you can get a totally free 14-day trial. I will put a link below. Have a good one.